When the Terracotta Warriors were excavated in the 1970s and 1980s, the archaeological team would occasionally find warriors with remnants of their original paint. Unfortunately, archaeologists found it almost impossible to prevent the paint from peeling off. While the painstaking archaeological work at the mausoleum never stops, the joy of each new discovery makes it all worthwhile. One such rewarding discovery has revealed that the pigments on the Terracotta Warriors were made from natural minerals like malachite and cinnabar, which were ground into powder and mixed with natural binders. Undoubtedly, the original paint jobs were impeccable pieces of work for their time. This is a color-restored figure of a kneeling archer, clad in a deep blue robe, overlaid with dark brown armor. He can be seen wearing bright red pants, with a pale pink face and jet black hair, tied with a crimson hairband. These colors were all popular during the Qin dynasty and have been lovingly reproduced to match the figure's original appearance. These vibrant colors dispelled a misconception that the Qin people favored black and show that these valiant warriors were unmatched both in their prowess on the battlefield as well as their gorgeous attire. In the artifact restoration area, visitors will notice something peculiar. Some of the Terracotta Warriors are wrapped in cling film. This is a simple but effective way of keeping the statues fresh and plays a crucial role in protecting their integrity. Over 2,200 years later, the layer of raw lacquer covering the Terracotta Warriors is highly sensitive to changes in humidity. Whenever one is excavated, specialists must spray a special protective solution over the painted surfaces to lock in moisture. Next, strong adhesives are applied to ensure the paint remains firmly attached to the statue. Once they are wrapped in their protective plastic, they are basically stabilized until the final touches are ready to be applied. Then they can rejoin their immortal army in the pits.